When interviewers ask for the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, they want to see if you understand the structure behind modern AI. Here is the cleanest way to explain it. AI is the broad field of making machines behave intelligently. Machine learning is one part of AI. It helps systems learn patterns from data instead of following fixed rules. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. It uses many layered neural networks to understand complex information like images, speech, and text. A strong interview answer is AI is the big idea. ML is the data-driven approach inside AI. Deep learning is the powerful technique inside ML that handles complicated patterns. Think of YouTube. AI controls the whole recommendation engine. ML predicts what you might click next. Deep learning studies thumbnails, speech, and video content. This simple hierarchy becomes the foundation for many interview questions. Keep it clear, and you will stand out. Now imagine the visual on this slide is 3 clean layers stacked on top of one another. At the top is artificial intelligence, the broadest idea. Inside AI sits machine learning. It learns from data. Inside ML sits deep learning. It learns features directly from raw inputs. A smooth interview explanation is: AI is the broad field. ML is the data-driven method within AI. Deep learning is the neural network technique within ML. This hierarchy helps you choose the right tool. ML is great when patterns are structured and data is limited. Deep learning shines when the data is rich and complex. A self-driving car shows this clearly. AI decides actions. ML predicts how other vehicles move. Deep learning reads camera images and identifies lanes and objects. Once you explain the hierarchy, interviewers often check if you understand how real systems are built. This slide shows the common ML workflow. A practical pipeline starts with data collection, then cleaning, then creating features. After that comes training, then deployment, and finally, monitoring the model in production. A simple interview answer is data collection, feature creation, model training, deployment, monitoring. A real example is fraud detection. You gather transaction history. You create behavior features. You train ML or deep learning models. You deploy them to check each transaction in real time. You monitor accuracy and drift. Interviewers may ask, how much data does deep learning need compared to ML? When is deep learning unnecessary? What are the compute costs? Keep your answers grounded in reality. ML is lighter and easier to explain. Deep learning is powerful but expensive. This view shows that you think like an engineer. This slide brings everything together. Each technique solves a different kind of problem. AI handles decision-making and rule-based tasks. Machine learning handles prediction tasks, like recommendations, spam filters, and forecasting. Deep learning handles high-dimensional data such as images, audio, video, and natural language. A strong interview summary is: AI is for intelligent behavior. ML is for prediction. Deep learning is for complex patterns and rich data. Think of real examples. AI powers chatbots and robotics. ML powers fraud detection and ranking systems. Deep learning powers face recognition, speech to text, and autonomous driving. Interviewers may ask, why does deep learning work so well for images? What ML projects have you built? How do you balance accuracy and speed? Use simple logic. Deep learning learns features on its own. ML relies on features you design. You have now mastered the core difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. When you understand this structure, interviews feel more predictable and less stressful. Keep your explanations clear. Use real examples. Stay calm and confident. You already have the foundation that many candidates miss. If this helped you prepare, subscribe for more interview-friendly guides. Like and share to support others learning these topics. Comment with the next concept you want me to explain.